Okay, so before we actually go in the M-Line Tower, this is fun. I like spontaneous stuff. So the trolley just stopped here, and you know how much I love the trolley. And then, oh my gosh, the so nice lady is letting me actually film her and then walk inside. This is a trolley, and it's just donation based. So you can take it anytime. It goes day and night. And tell me your name.
My name is Rachel.
Hey, Rachel. Oh, good. Can you tell me about the trolley?
Well, we've been running for about 33 years.
Wow.
We have 7 different trolleys that come from all over the world. This particular one is an original Dallas Apartments.
Cool. Let's look inside. This is so cool.
If you want to ride around with me until over there, because I kind of got to take off.
Oh, no, that's okay. I'll just take a quick look in here, and thank you so much.
I don't mean to rush you.
Oh, no worries. You have a great day.
You too. But what was your name one more time?
Grant. Yeah. See you soon. Isn't that trolley awesome? So you can take this trolley, and it does run on time, just like she said. And this is another great experience of Uptown. And it's like you don't really need Uber or Lyft. You've got this trolley, and it's all ready to go. So I love it. You just got to see the trolley. Didn't even plan it. Oh, did you hear that? Beep, beep. Love it. Okay, there it goes. It's taking off.